How to log in Yahoo Mail account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for yahoo.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Yahoo. Tap on the Sign In button on the top right of your screen and you will further be led to the login portal of Yahoo. Go ahead and enter your username, email, or phone number associated with Yahoo and tap on the Next button. And if you have forgotten your login credentials, then you can tap on the Forgot Username option and recover your username. And if you do not have an account yet, you can tap on the Create an Account button and create an account for yourself. You will then be asked to enter your password, so go ahead and enter your password and tap on the Next button. And if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password option and log in further once your password is recovered. And with this, you will be signed in to Yahoo Mail. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.